Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart Finance Investor. Today, we have an exciting topic that forms the backbone of our economy and holds immense potential for your financial growth: understanding the stock market. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video will unravel the mysteries of the Indian stock market and equip you with the knowledge to make informed investment decisions. Segment 1: Decoding the Stock Market. Welcome, viewer, to a captivating exploration of the stock market's essence. The stock market isn't just a place, it's the heartbeat of economic growth. Imagine it as a bustling marketplace where pieces of companies are exchanged, a platform connecting investors and businesses. When you invest in the stock market, you are essentially purchasing ownership in a company. These ownership pieces are called shares or stocks. The value of these shares can rise or fall, driven by intricate factors like company performance, market trends, and investor sentiment. Segment 2: Meet the Players. Let's embark on a fascinating journey to meet the diverse cast of characters in the stock market. From individual retail investors like you and me to institutional giants, the market thrives on a vibrant mix of participants. Acting as the bridge between investors and exchanges are brokers, who facilitate trades and transactions. These players collectively form the intricate ecosystem that fuels market dynamics. Each participant contributes their unique role, shaping market trends and influencing investment landscapes. Segment 3: Where the action happens. Join us as we step into the epicenter of financial activity, the stock exchanges. The Indian stock market boasts notable platforms like the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, NSE. These exchanges serve as the nucleus where companies list their shares for trading, offering a chance for investors to buy and sell. Think of these exchanges as bustling marketplaces where economic dreams are realized and fortunes are forged. Understanding the significance of these exchanges is crucial, as they play a pivotal role in facilitating capital raising for companies and providing opportunities for investors to participate in the growth story of India's businesses. Segment 4: Index Magic. In this segment, we are about to unravel the enchanting world of market indices. Think of indices like the Sensex and Nifty as compasses guiding us through the market's vast landscape. These indices are like snapshots capturing the collective performance of a select group of stocks. They offer insights into market trends, indicating whether the overall market is trending up or down. Just as a weather forecast helps plan your day, understanding these indices aids in making informed investment decisions. Segment 5: Different Flavors of Stocks. Welcome to a segment that unveils the diverse palette of stocks available in the market. Just as a gourmet menu offers various flavors, stocks come in different categories: blue chip, mid-cap, and small cap. Blue chip stocks represent established giants, mid-cap stocks indicate growing companies, and small-cap stocks showcase emerging players. Each category offers a unique risk-reward profile, catering to different investor preferences and goals. Understanding these flavors is akin to selecting ingredients for a balanced financial recipe. Segment 6: Unveiling Stock Prices. In this enlightening segment, we are about to demystify the intriguing world of stock prices. Beyond mere numerical values, stock prices are reflections of a company's perceived value in the market. They're influenced by a myriad of factors: company performance, economic indicators, investor sentiment, and global trends. Understanding the intricate dance of these elements empowers investors to interpret price movements and make informed decisions. Just as a detective deciphers clues to solve a mystery, decoding stock prices allows you to unlock valuable insights into the health and prospects of a company. Segment 7: Trading Mechanism. Welcome to the fascinating world of trading mechanics, where we explore how transactions unfold in the stock market. Primary and secondary markets play pivotal roles in this process. Market orders offer immediate buying or selling at prevailing prices, while limit orders provide control over entry and exit prices. Understanding these mechanisms is akin to mastering the gears of a well-oiled machine. Just as a pilot navigates through changing weather conditions, investors maneuver through market fluctuations using different order types. Segment 8. The Power of Research. Prepare to unlock the immense potential of research in the stock market journey. Through fundamental analysis, you delve into a company's financial health, management practices, and industry trends. Think of it as investigating a treasure map, where financial statements and market trends are your clues. This analysis empowers you to make well-informed investment decisions, aligning your choices with your financial goals. Just as a scientist conducts experiments to reveal hidden truths, conducting thorough research enables you to uncover valuable insights into potential investments. Segment 9. Keeping it regulated. Welcome to a segment that sheds light on the vital role of regulation in the stock market. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, takes center stage as the guardian of market integrity. SEBI ensures transparency, prevents fraud, and safeguards investor interests. Think of it as a referee in the financial arena, ensuring fair play and maintaining trust. Understanding SEBI's role is crucial for navigating the market with confidence. Just as traffic rules keep roads safe, SEBI's regulations create a level playing field for all participants, fostering a robust and trustworthy market environment. Segment 10. Embarking on your investment journey. Get ready to take your first steps into the captivating world of investing. Opening a demat and trading account is your passport to the market. These accounts allow you to buy and sell shares electronically, just like virtual shopping for ownership. As you venture into this realm, begin with companies you understand and believe in, forming the foundation of your investment portfolio. This segment serves as your compass, guiding you through the initial stages of becoming a confident investor. Just as explorers set forth with curiosity, you are embarking on a journey of financial growth and empowerment. Segment 11. Navigating IPOs. Prepare to navigate the exciting terrain of initial public offerings, IPOs. An IPO marks a company's debut in the stock market, allowing the public to become part owners. It's like a grand opening of a business, but on a financial stage. Participating in an IPO can be thrilling, but it's essential to do your homework. Research the company's financials, industry trends, and growth potential before deciding to subscribe. Just as a traveler plans an itinerary, understanding the intricacies of IPOs equips you to make well-informed decisions and seize potential opportunities in the market. Segment 12. Facing market volatility. Welcome to a segment that prepares you to navigate the dynamic waves of market volatility. Market fluctuations are like the changing tides of the financial ocean, influenced by economic events, news, and investor sentiment. Embracing volatility is essential, as it's a natural part of the investment journey. Strategies like diversification and a long-term perspective act as your anchors, helping you weather the storms. Just as a sailor adjusts their sails to changing winds, understanding how to navigate through volatility empowers you to make confident decisions amidst market ups and downs. And that's a wrap on understanding the Indian stock market. Remember, knowledge is your ally. Keep learning, stay informed, and make investment decisions that align with your financial goals. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on personal finance and investing. Stay financially savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.